Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's date is April the 18th, 2018, and today I want to start off some cantaloupe seeds. I bought these brand new yesterday, and I want to get these going before my growing season starts around the 3rd week of May. So I've got the seeds. I've got a little piece of paper towel. I'm just going to get that in there. I'm going to get a little bit of water right in there. That's good. So I'm going to open up my seeds right now. Let's get those open. I think I'm going to go with 6 seeds. I'll show you what they look like. Let's go with 7. Lucky 7. So we'll get all of these down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's spread them out a little bit. Tweezers make everything easier. And then I just take the paper towel and go right over and just make sure all of that paper is sopping wet, and then you can turn it over. If you see a lot of water coming out, you can just kind of push it and just remove that excess water. And there we have it. And now we'll get this on here. We're going to label that. So this is germination date number 1, and I will come back as soon as I see some germination happening. We'll start on the 2nd video in this series for our season of 2018. So that's it for today's really fast video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a brand new video, there's a little notification bell right beside the subscribe button. Just click on that and you'll be notified each time I upload a brand new video. Apart from this one here, I have a bunch of other brand new videos for this season that I'm going to continue doing a little series on. And yes, if you recognize my voice, I am the guy over on the Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. That is a recipe channel, and you can check me out there at youtube.com/bakelikeapro, and I'm also on Facebook there at facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for this really fast video, and I'll catch you on the next one.